You are looking at a 2025 Barletta Cabrio 24 UC. We've got this nice matte black exterior with the gray accent with that silver rail package. Gray flooring on this boat. As you can see here, very nicely done on the upholstery on these vinyls. We've got the JBL sound system upgrade in 2025. Still have the drink holders and charging station in that well in the bow of the boat. Lots of storage options here in the front on both sides. Nice and deep and tidy, all on metal hinges as well too. Just adds to the longevity of your boat with the doggy dock view. That's very nice. Can clearly see through that, so it's nice when you're docking or for your pets to get a good view of the water. We've also got our folding armrests in the front here. Very nice. The staple of the brand, that foldable table. Plenty of storage space underneath. As you can see there, your trash can is underneath your backrest cushion on the left side of the boat. At the helm, still have our toggle switches and our gauges with some electronic features for water temp, engine temp, voltage, fuel capacity, and hours. This has the RGB light package there as well. Our SIMRAD screen, and then again the upgraded JBL audio system in 2025. This boat does have active trim control, and there's our control right there for our canopy. High-backed seats, still the staple in 2025 for our captain and co-captain chair with those movable armrests. We still have our phone holder and charging stations conveniently placed for the co-captain in our 2025 Cabrios. So that's very nice. And our Ultra Lounger that can flip in multiple directions. We can either lay out facing the rear completely, or if we pull up on this will lay completely flat, and we can fold this multiple directions. Couple snaps, set those paddles in, and now we're rear facing in a seating position. Or if we wanted to lounge out the front here at the same time, we can do that as well too. So very configurable options, highly configurable options. And our power source right there, on, off, and then our dual in case of emergency. This boat features a 200 Mercury V6. Got our chain stanchions here. Those do need to be up when we're rear facing, just as they are on this side. We've got our nice lily pad ladder accessory over here with the flagpole over here. Those are options that can definitely be added. This is very easy to deploy. Down it goes, comes back up, just with this spring-loaded pin here. Pull on that, set that in place, and we're good to go. You can check out this boat on our website at MarineMax.com, or you can stop in at our Crosslake location and see this boat for yourself.